In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install and connect NordVPN on your TP-Link router so every device in your home stays protected automatically. And if you want to get NordVPN at a discounted price, you'll find a special link in the description. A VPN router basically works like a normal Wi-Fi router, but with VPN protection built directly into it. Instead of installing NordVPN separately on your phone, laptop, TV, or console, the router itself connects to the VPN server. That means the moment a device joins your Wi-Fi, it's already encrypted and secured. No extra apps needed. When your TP-Link router acts as the VPN client, it forms a secure, encrypted tunnel directly to a NordVPN server. Every device on your Wi-Fi passes through that encrypted tunnel automatically. Even devices that normally can't install VPN apps like smart TVs, media boxes, and gaming consoles. This setup gives your whole network privacy from your internet provider, better security for remote work or file transfers, and safer browsing for every device on your Wi-Fi. Before you start, make sure your TP-Link router supports VPN client mode. Most modern TP-Link models do, and NordVPN also works with brands like Asus, DDWRT, OpenWRT, Tomato, and others. If your current ISP router doesn't support VPNs, you can either use a secondary router or get a pre-configured NordVPN router from Flash Routers. Let's walk through the setup using a TP-Link router as an example. Open your browser and type in your router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, then log in with your username and password. Inside the dashboard, go to the Advanced section and open the VPN client settings. Turn on the VPN client feature and save the changes. Then create a new VPN profile. Add a name like NordVPN. Select OpenVPN as the connection type and enter your NordVPN service username and password. These are available in your Nord account under Manual Setup inside the Service Credentials section. Next, download the OpenVPN configuration files from your NordVPN account. You can choose the recommended server or pick a specific location you want. Download either the UDP or TCP file based on your preference. Once you have the file, return to your router page, upload it, and save your settings. After saving, enable the NordVPN connection in your server list. Then, open your device list, click Add, and select the device you want to protect, for example, your Xbox, PlayStation, or Smart TV. Switch its VPN access option to On, and that device will now use your NordVPN connection through the router. And that's the full setup for installing and connecting NordVPN on a TP-Link router. If you want to secure all your devices at once using a single VPN connection, check out the special NordVPN offer linked below.